Hello loves. Now first I'm gonna start off with a clean head. It was air blow dried. First I'm gonna take this braid right here and I'm gonna bring it across his head as so. Now with all of my parts I did grease it. Actually before I started braiding I did moisturize his hair. I'm gonna take this braid going all the way back. Now I am not a professional. I'm not licensed or anything. I guess did it for fun. Well, he asked me to do his hair, so just hurried up and did it. This braid I tried to do a zigzag, which of course I failed. It looks like an S, but whatever, it looks nice. Now with this braid I'm doing right now, it looks like I'm taking it to the right side of his head, but the camera turned off. I actually didn't. I actually brought this braid to the left side of his head and basically made a box spiral all on that side. Further on in the video you'll be able to see that. Now I don't want all my parts straight, so please don't go bashing me in the comments or anything like that. To me, all freestyles, the parts aren't straight and it still come out looking bomb. So I just went with the flow. Nothing was planned. I didn't, look at any other braiding tutorials or anything like that. Just had fun with it. Now again, this is my first time actually braiding his hair to something like this. Usually I just do straight backs. Yeah, I'm not really a hairstylist at all. Okay, so with the braid that I'm doing now, this is the same braid that I told you guys before, that I actually took this braid to the left side of the head. I'm basically finishing up, and I showed you a little sneak peek of what it looked like. I believe I took that braid all the way back. Right now I'm gonna do 3 little small braids to the side right here, and then I'm going to put those 3 braids into 1 braid going straight back. Now I think I'm just going to just shut up and just let y'all watch. I think that this video or this little tutorial is really self-explained, and you can basically see everything that I'm doing. I don't really need to blab and talk too much. So thank you for watching and enjoy. And there you have it. I'm basically done. I'm just gonna put my scarf on his head, and that's gonna be it. If you have any concerns or questions regarding about this hairstyle or anything that you may have a question about, just let me know in the comments down below, and I'll definitely write back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.
I'ma come through with that reminder.